Hello, welcome to the learnings of quadrilaterals. Here in the first one we take is about the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. I write it down first. What does the angle sum property of let me use quadri as a short form for quadrilaterals later on for all the sessions as well. The angle sum property of a quadrilateral says the sum of all four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Quadrilaterals means a figure which has four sides. I draw a figure here which has four sides. Now how the angle sum property of a quadrilateral makes it 360? I can divide this whole quadrilateral into two triangles. Now if I name them as A, this is B, C, D. Now it is divided into two triangles, so angle sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D we have to prove to be 360 degrees. Let me name them as 1, 2, this being 3 and 4. If you see in triangle ACD, angle D or angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees. This is angle sum property of a triangle. In triangle ABC, similarly angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle B makes it 180 degrees. So that is also angle sum property of a triangle. Now if we add them, because triangle ABC plus triangle ACD would give us the quadrilateral ABCD. So let us add them. This will give us angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle B plus angle D to be 180 plus 180. Now if we rearrange, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle B plus angle D makes it 360 degrees. Now angle 1 plus 3 is angle A, angle 2 plus 4 is angle C. We already had B and D, that gives us 360. So the sum of A plus B plus C plus D angles gives us 360. Move on to another screen with taking up questions based on this angle sum property of this quadrilateral. I write down a question, then we draw the figure for it and solve. In a quadrilateral which is named as ABCD, AO and BO are the bisectors of angle A and angle B respectively. Prove that angle AOB is equal to half of angle C plus angle D. Let us draw a quadrilateral naming it as ABCD. I have to draw the angle bisectors of A and B. I hope they look like angle bisectors. They are not accurate figures. And I name this point of intersection to be O. Let me name these angles 1 and 2. That will help us because they are half of angle A and angle B. I'll need angle AOB represented in terms of C and D. Now in triangle AOB, we can say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle AOB is 180 degree. We have to keep AOB with ourselves, so I'm carrying 1 and 2 to the other side. That will make it 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2. This again can be represented or substituted as, because if you see angle 1 is half of angle A, as we had drawn AO being the bisector of angle A. Similarly, angle 2 can be represented as half of angle B. BO is bisector of angle B. So angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus, now half of A and half of B, that can be represented in terms of C and D. I tell you how. Because angle BA plus angle B plus angle C and D gives us 360, as we had seen this before, angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So angle A plus angle B can be substituted as 360 minus angle C plus D, carrying angle C and D to the other side. So if I can take out this half out as common, angle A plus angle B is left. That can be written as 360 minus angle C plus angle D. Removing the bracket will give us 180 minus half into 360, that also 180. Half is plus half angle C plus angle D. This gets cancelled and what is left gives us the answer, that is angle AOB is half of angle C plus half of angle D. That's what we were supposed to prove. Hope you followed. Let's take up one more question based on angle sum property again. We draw a quadrilateral. This figure is already given in the question. The previous one we had drawn them. It says this is a quadrilateral which is A, B, C and D. We draw bisector of angle which meets CD, which is extended here. We'll draw bisector of angle D which meets AB produced here. It says in this figure, bisectors of angle B and angle D of quadrilateral ABCD meet CD and AB produced at P and Q respectively. We have to prove angle P plus angle Q is equal to half of angle ABC and angle ADC. To do so, Let me just mark these angles. This one will be one angle, this is one angle. Here this one was also bisected. So I'll mark them as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now in this triangle, which is PBC, I'm highlighting it by just drawing it in another color. So that makes in triangle PBC, what do we see is angle 4 plus angle P plus angle C gives us 180. Again, the angle sum property of the triangle. Angle 4 can be written or expressed as half of angle B, that being BP was the bisector of angle B. On the other hand, we have QAD triangle. Let me highlight that as well. In triangle QAD, what do we get? We say angle A plus angle 1 plus angle Q, that equals 180 again. Angle 1 will be expressed as half of angle D, gives us 180, again the angle sum property. Let us add them. What do we get? We get angle P plus angle C plus angle A, plus angle Q. Then I have half of angle B plus half of angle Q, half of angle D there. Gives us 180 plus 180, that gives us 360 degrees. We have to keep P and Q on this side. We also know in our angle sum property that angle A plus angle B plus angle C and angle D gives us 360, they being a quadrilateral. So we can equate these A plus B plus C plus D with the left hand side of, suppose this is our equation 1 and this being equation 2. Let us equate the left sides of them. So we will be getting angle P plus C plus A plus Q plus half of angle B plus half of angle D equals angle B, A, B, C and D. Now C got cancelled, A also get cancelled. I continue this question here above where I have some space left. So we get angle P plus angle Q, and I carry half of angle B to the right. I also carry half of angle D to the right. That makes this as half B, and D minus half D is also half D. Thereby, if we take a half common, this was all plus, half B plus angle D. This B and D can also be written as angle ABC and angle ADC. So angle P plus angle Q is equal to half ABC plus half ADC. That's what we were supposed to prove here. Hope you followed it well. Thank you.